आज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। 10वीं जमात के तलबा व तालिबात और बॉयज़ हाई स्कूल बदरहर, आज 17 अगस्त 2020 एक बार फिर हम अपना सब्जेक्ट साइंस पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि हमारा जो चैप्टर चल रहा है वो है चैप्टर नंबर 5, पीरियोडिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, and today our topic is merits and demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. As you know, we have recently read about the Mendeleev's classification of the elements and the Mendeleev's periodic table. Now there are some limitations and we will discuss the merits and the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. First of all, there we throw light on the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. In Mendeleev's periodic table, the elements with similar properties were placed in same group. Before this periodic table, it was not seen for every element that they were placed in the same group, but in Mendeleev's periodic table, we see all the elements with similar properties were placed in the same group. This was the merit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Number 2, Mendeleev, while grouping the elements in the periodic table, he left some gaps in his periodic table. Instead, looking upon these gaps as defects, he kept these gaps in order to think that there are some elements which were not discovered at that time, and he think that of the discovery of these undiscovered elements, they will be put in these gaps. This is the second merit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Number 3, Mendeleev predicted the existence of some elements that were later on discovered. Mendeleev, while grouping the elements in the periodic table, arranging the elements in the periodic table, he found that there are some elements which are not discovered, but he predicted the properties of these elements which were not discovered at that time. Later on, after the discovery of those undiscovered elements, the properties given by the Mendeleev were found true. Number 4, the table helped in correcting the atomic masses of some of the elements based on their position in the periodic table. While arranging the elements in the periodic table, Mendeleev helped in correcting the atomic masses of some of the elements based on their position in the periodic table. The position in the periodic table, when we see there were some elements like beryllium, indium, gold and platinum, their atomic masses were corrected with the help of the arranging these elements in the periodic table based on their physical and chemical properties. Now, if we go towards the other aspect, that is demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table, there are, however, in Mendeleev's periodic table, there are, however, some limitations, demerits. Number 1, first of all, position of hydrogen was not justified. The position of the element hydrogen was not justified, as the hydrogen shows resemblance with alkali metals and halogens. So it was a confusion whether it will be placed in alkali metals or halogens. Hydrogens and alkali metals both have one valence electron. If we see in one side, hydrogen and alkali metals both have one valence electron, and on the other hand, if we see hydrogen and halogen both exist as diatomic molecules. Number 2, in some pairs of elements, arrangement was not justified. While seeing the pairs of the elements, it was not justified. The arrangement was not justified. He placed elements with greater atomic masses first and then elements with lower atomic masses. For instance, argon atomic number 40 was placed firstly in the periodic table, and after that the element potassium with atomic number 39 was placed in the periodic table. Number 3, isotopes were not given separate place in the periodic table. Isotopes are the elements with similar chemical properties but different atomic masses. These should be placed separately in the periodic table, but Mendeleev could not give separate place for these isotopes. Number 4, some elements with similar properties were placed in different groups. This was another limitation of the periodic table given by Mendeleev. For instance, copper and mercury having similar properties were placed in different groups. Number 5, some elements with different properties were placed in same group. The elements with different properties were placed in the same group, which is also a limitation for this periodic table. For instance, lithium, sodium and potassium were grouped with copper, silver and gold. These are the elements with different properties. They were grouped together. These are the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Hope you have got the merits and the demerits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Thanks.